Okay, so here we are, Heritage Asphalt. So we're just looking at a mastic asphalt roof here. Just looking down, and you can see we've got some deck subsidence here, where the asphalt, the deck below the mastic asphalt has just worked away just at the bullnose edge there, and it's just starting to show signs there of water pooling in areas where the deck is subsiding. So this 60-metre roof would need to be restripped, joists inspected, redecked, thermally upgrade as well for the customer. We've got enough height there underneath the threshold, and as you say, redecked, re-insulated, and then obviously 2 coats of mastic asphalt with a lead increase on the bullnose edge at the front there, and obviously installed all to a J21 specification. Please see more videos from Heritage Asphalt. Thank you.